Today's episode, we're going to cover the Tesla stock, which is sitting at a major decision point right now. The bulls are still holding key support, but momentum is starting to cool off. And if Tesla loses one major level, this rally could flip fast. At the same time, if the bulls reclaim resistance, Tesla could be setting up for another explosive move higher. Let's start off here with the weekly chart. And right now, the price of Tesla is at $440.36 and is looking kind of bullish. We're above the 21 moving average here. We've been bullish for the past 4 weeks with green candles. The only thing is that the stochastics are starting to get a little toppy, but we could definitely drag here for a while. We're coming off the top here of about $500, and this is pretty much some type of a falling wedge here. And if this breaks out, it looks like we could break the old highs and get up to about $515. So it looks like we still have room in order for that to happen. We're above the 50 on the RSI, so this is looking kind of bullish here for Tesla on the weekly chart. If we head over to the daily chart, we see that the stochastics are low here, and we still have room to continue going up. We're currently above all the moving averages, especially the 200 here. Now, what I'm not liking is that if we roll over and we can't get above these wicks here, this could kind of turn into some type of a M pattern here, kind of like a double top. So it's imperative that we get above these wicks. If we don't, then this could actually bring us down to about $350. So that's definitely on the table there. We could go up to 515, but we could also fall down if we cannot get above these wicks here and we end up forming a double top here. We could get down as low as 350, but the stochastics right now are in the favor for us to continue to go up. So I think we might end up breaking these wicks eventually here. We head over to the 8-hour time frame. The stochastics look like the daily. They're pointing up here. The RSI is above the 50, but I'm still a little bit worried about this double top formation happening. Now, the 21 moving average is crossing the 200 moving average, which is bullish, but we are a little bit far from the 21. So I could see us going sideways here a little bit until the 21 moving average catches up to price, and then from there we could see if we could blast up. So I expect some consolidation here sideways for a little bit. And on the 4-hour time frame, stochastics are starting to get a little toppy. The RSI kind of looks like we want to roll over here. The 21 moving average is currently at $426. So if we do roll over, I expect us to have some type of support here, and if we lose that, we do need to hold on to this 200 moving average at $404. If not, then this double top could be in play and we could see lower prices. On the 1-hour time frame, stochastics were on the way down, but if we zoom in, I'm starting to see a little curvature here. So it looks like we might be primed for another move up. We're kind of flagging out here sideways a little bit, and the 21 moving average isn't too far away. So I feel go sideways a couple of more candles here, 21 moving average catches up to price, and we should be able to at least go and see if we could retest this high here at around 498. And on the 15-minute time frame, stochastics here are low. We're kind of flagging out here sideways as well. We're above pretty much all the moving averages. We're slightly below the 21, but it looks like with the momentum of the stochastics being low, we should be able to get back above this. So overall right now, guys, I am bullish on Tesla. It looks like if we could hold these levels of at least the 21 moving average here on the weekly at $405, we could start making our way back up to the high of $498 and possibly to about $515 eventually. All right, guys, so that's the breakdown. If this gave you clarity or a setup to watch, do me a favor, like, drop a comment, subscribe. And if you have a stock or crypto you want me to go over, drop it in the comment section. This is Flex Candle, where we read the candles and flex the moves. Catch you on the next chart.